tuning in. Hothead here, sitting on my bike. It's a nice day. I know this is a bike channel, but guess what I got? I don't know if the focus is good, but this is the Apple Watch Series 8, 45 millimeter. So I'm about to unbox it. I was gonna unbox it on the bike, but it's kind of windy, so we're gonna head inside and unbox this jump off. Alright, so let's go. Now that we're inside, pretty sure you can hear me better without all that background noise. This is the 45 millimeter one. Originally I wanted to get the Ultra. I put in an order for it, and they told me late November, early December. I honestly didn't want to wait that long, but I was trying to do it. But I saw a whole bunch of videos comparing the Ultra to the 45 millimeter one, and when I saw it next to each other, the Ultra is just slightly bigger. I thought it was going to be like a dramatic difference, but it really wasn't. So I was like, you know what? I called AT&T and I asked them, do you have it in stock, the 8? And if you do, can I get it like next day delivery? Like, what's up? Do I still gotta wait? And they said next day delivery. So, all right, cancel the Ultra. I'll fucks with this one. Let's go. So I rode with the black. All these other colors are cool and everything. So this is the inside of the box. Here's the band, black band. They told me whatever color watch I choose, that's the color band I get, unless I buy another band. So that's what the inside of the box looks like. And to be honest, I never wanted to have a Apple Watch. It was never my thing. Just didn't appeal to me. Like I wanted something with the like when the Gear S came out, Samsung's jump off. It had a little camera on there. So when this came out, I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. But now that it has all these extra features and apps and stuff like that going for it, with the GPS, and I ride my bike everywhere, and sometimes it'd be killing my battery because I need to do it with my bike. There's no way for me to charge it yet till I fix it. So, this could be a backup battery for, my GPS and everything. My cat is having a ball with the box it came in, so if you hear some background noise, that's what it is. So we're gonna save the main jump off for last. Let's open up the band. Because like I said, this is my first. I see it on other people's hands and stuff, but I wasn't grabbing no one's arm and like, hey, let me see that. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I wasn't really interested in it. But getting back to having a camera and everything. There's this. I'm gonna put up on the screen probably right now. There's this band that you can get that has a very good camera on there, and I looked at the reviews. Solid. You know what I'm saying? So I get that band. And apparently I can FaceTime with it. I saw other people doing on their videos FaceTime with it and everything. So I don't know if I want to wear that kind of band every day because it's a really thick band. I don't know how comfortable it will be. Okay, loud truck coming by my house for like no reason. So this is what's inside the band part of the box. You think this will be in the same box, but okay, sure. So this is the inside. That's what it looks like with the band in there. I'm definitely gonna probably get different bands because I've seen some really nice bands. But that one with the camera on, yeah, I will definitely fuck with that if I'm like going to an event and I might want to record something real quick, something hot happened, Sometimes things be happening and my phone be in my pocket, and then by the time I try to reach for my phone, too late. So here's the band. It's I wasn't expecting to feel like this. It's a nice feeling. So here's the box where the watch is. And it's got these, I meant to show you, it has these nice little tear things so that you can get in here easy. And this is why I decided not to open this while I'm on my bike, because I'm like, yeah, something important might fly away, you know what I'm saying? So, right. I guess it just, drop something. Okay. Yo, alright. Yo, this box is strong. Like, wow. Okay. You're really making sure this stays really protected. So the watch is right here, actually, but I just want to see what's in the other side over here. So in here has, is it going to be little tiny Apple stickers? Are they really going to do that? Okay, some breakdown manual maybe, or this is probably instructions, really tiny writing. Put that to the side. I'm not reading none of that. I'd rather just go on YouTube and look at how-to videos. So this is probably the charger, but I have a charge station already, which I'm going to show y'all as soon as I finish the unboxing. Let's see how this opens up. There we go. I don't want to start breaking things open. Oh, just like that. Okay, so that out. Giggity. And this is to charge the battery. Okay. Put it to the side, and nothing else in here. So here's the watch. Has a nice little covering on it, so this should slide out somewhere. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this feels nice. It's nice. Okay. Yeah, it's a good size. All right, so does it matter? Is there like a left and right on these things, or what? I know the ones who have this for a long time is yelling at me. No, that's not how you do it. This is going to be trial and error. Okay, that locked in. So that must be right. Yep. Okay. So let's turn it on. I think that's how you do it. Right? No? Mostly just hold this down. Like the battery dead, or am I doing it wrong? I don't see nothing else to push. Alright, maybe the battery dead. Give me a minute. Let me plug her in. Alright, so this is the 3-in-1 charging station I'll tell you about. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, so the iPhone stands up here. I'm using my iPhone to record this, so I can't demonstrate that part. Right here can charge the Apple Buds. They're next to be that I'm getting. And this part right here is supposed to charge the watch, like so. There we go. So yeah, came right on. So I guess it's a matter of the battery was dead. So I'm gonna let her charge up for a bit, and you know, while she's charging it, while she's charging in, right? While she's charging up, I'll sign in and yada yada yada. Oh, so they actually made a pair for the phone. All right, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll come right back. Okay, so got the watch up and running and everything, and signed in. Made a call, well, got a call in. So I know y'all gonna flame me in the comments. So yeah, I learned that the power button's right there, but it's so flush. I didn't even realize. I thought I thought that knob did everything. So yeah, I definitely was hitting the wrong button. So you know, if y'all stop the video to curse me out, it's okay. I found out. So it's a picture of me and my cat Akasha, and you know, I was worried about it not, you know, it being big enough for my my eyesight, but I can read it just fine. I can see the picture just fine. It's good. I mean, it's not even translating as clear, as beautiful it is on this watch. Alright, so this has just been an unboxing. I'm not doing a review. I mean, it's obviously I gotta learn a lot about this watch, you know, and everything. And it feels comfortable. It looks great on me. Real clear as fuck. And you know, that's why I was gonna get the Ultra. I thought, you know, the bigger size will make me be able to read it better and everything. I thought this would be too small, but like I said, I saw videos of them side by side, and the Ultra is a little bit bigger. It's not even like a big notice, you know? It's definitely thicker, giggity. But yeah, so you know, this fits me really good. Now, the only thing I'm now worried about is the camera. Oh shit! I activated. Oh wow! I can see. I don't know how I did this. I guess I shook my wrist too much, but I'm seeing the video recording from my watch that I'm doing right now. This is some Matrix shit right here. This is dope. Yo, okay, all right. I mean, I know I can remote control, you know, the phone, but I didn't know if I flick my wrist too hard, it will activate the camera. This is wow. Okay. This is freaky and dope at the same time. All right, so yeah, I seen them side by side, and you know, it's good, and yeah, I'm happy. First impressions, I'm happy. So yeah, wait, hold on, let me show it off. Yeah, I'm happy. First impressions, you know what I'm saying? And I definitely like this feature where I can control my phone remotely to put the camera on. I don't know how I just activated this now, but wow. But yeah, it's dope. It's comfortable. You know what I'm saying? So next video, well, not the very next video. Give me about a week or two to learn how to use this. Because like I said, I've never been interested in an Apple Watch. 10 years later, now I love it. So give me some time to get used to this, you know, and maybe 2 weeks, and I'll do a full review. Because, you know, I didn't even know what a damn power button was. That's how new I am to it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but first impressions, I'm impressed. And that's the video. That's the unboxing. Thanks for viewing. Comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Oh wait, hold on. Deuces.